In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no audio output device is installed error in Windows 10. So first, go to Device Manager, and here you will see something like audio input and output. So click here, and what you need to do is find your audio that you're using. So if it's a speaker, then just find it and then right click and then update driver. Click browse and select the most recent driver and then click next to update. And if you're having issues with, let's say, a microphone, you can do the same, just update the driver. And also make sure they are enabled. So if you see something like enable here, just click it to enable it. It might be disabled. So once you do this, you can just close this down. And here you see something like sound, video, and game control. Open this again, and here you're gonna see your audio again, like find it, and then right click on it, and then update driver. Then find the driver, and then select the most recent. As you can see, this is 2022, 2025, 2024. Select the most recent one. Click next to update. And I suggest you do this with everything here. All these audio drivers do with everything. So once you do this, close this down, and then you want to head to settings and then type settings here. Type troubleshoot settings. Other troubleshooters. You're gonna see something like audio here. So run the troubleshooter for audio. This will look up for any solutions. It will look up for any guides for you to help you like fix your issue. So I recommend this, and after that, this should fix your issue.